for you, Norbert, do you feel that because I mean, we talked about this in previous episodes, so I'll just have it more really focused on Christmas season. Do you feel homesick? Na you wish sana nasa bahay ka or nasa Pilipinas kayo during the Christmas?
It comes in waves, I think. That's my answer. May mga araw na, pag talagang buong araw madilim, buong araw gloomy, talagang bakit ba ganito, bakit walang namimiss ko yung ingay sa kanto na may nagbi-video na parang tas yung mga tawa ng so the familiar sounds, the organized chaos of our Christmas traditions, the vibes, and of course namimiss mo yung family mo, pero okay lang na parang na-overcome mo siya. So hindi never ko na feel naman na nag-iisa ako or alone ako, kasi iba na may iba na din akong priority, tas iba na yun yung mindset natin. So ini-enjoy mo kung anong meron, tas you make the most out of it. So yun ang parang other side of the coin, kumbaga.
For me, I really miss the food sometimes. Like yung lechon. Pero it's also good na I don't have it kasi hindi mo ganun ka-healthy yun. Food is number one. I think because you grow up and then you have that memory that you're food in Christmas, and then you see Christmas tree and you hear the kids singing outside, right? Yun yung memories mo na masaya.
Yeah.
So those are the moments I miss them, honestly, right? And I think it's not something that you have to be sad some more. Like sometimes you can come back, you will have that experience, or you can even try it here.
I think magandang i-acknowledge yun na di ba, now we're allowed to go back into those good memories.
Yes.
And appreciate that time kasi it's a time capsule in your mind, right?
And then that's always something special for you, right? Like if you go back to that, if you see that going back, it might not be the same because it's always special in your memory compared to the real event sometimes. I mean,